Join me as I try to create the ultimate planner setup for 2024 and see if I can get myself organized for the whole year. When it comes to planner setup and organization for the new year, it's essential to think ahead and create a system that works for you. Having a well-organized planner can make all the difference in your productivity and help you stay on top of your tasks and goals. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to set up and maintain an effective planner system is finding the right layout and design that suits their needs. Some people might struggle with creating a functional layout that includes all the necessary sections, while others might find it hard to make their planner look visually appealing. Another common issue is staying consistent with using the planner. It's easy to get excited about a new planner at the beginning of the year, but as time goes by, it's common to fall back into old habits and stop using it regularly. Additionally, with so many planner types and tools available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. From bullet journal to Erin Condren, and from stickers to washi tape, the options are endless, and it can be hard to decide what works best for you. Lastly, some people might struggle with balancing decoration and functionality. While it's fun to make your planner look pretty, it's essential to remember that the primary purpose of a planner is to help you stay organized and productive. When it comes to planner types, tools, and methods for organization, the possibilities are endless. From minimalist to maximalist and from digital to analog, there's something for everyone. You can choose from a variety of layouts, from daily to weekly to monthly spreads, and add additional sections for tracking habits, goals, and progress. Stickers, washi tape, and color coding are great ways to add a decorative touch to your planner while also making it more functional. You can use different colors to categorize tasks, events, and deadlines, making it easier to prioritize and stay on track. For 2024, I'm trying out a new planner system that combines the best of both worlds, functionality and aesthetics. My personal planner setup includes a mix of daily and weekly spreads, as well as additional sections for tracking my goals, habits, and progress. One of my favorite features is the goal setting section, where I can break down my long-term goals into smaller, actionable steps. I also love using stickers and washi tape to add a pop of color and make my planner more fun to use. In my planner, I also have a section dedicated to tracking my habits, where I can monitor my progress and make adjustments as needed. It's amazing how much more intentional and focused you can be when you have a clear picture of your daily habits. As you set up your planner for 2024, remember to take the time to think about what works best for you and your unique needs. Don't be afraid to experiment and try out new layouts, tools, and methods until you find the perfect combination that makes you feel productive and organized. Thanks for joining me on this planner setup journey. I'd love to see how you're setting up your planner for 2024, so please share your own planner setup in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about planner hacks and organization tips, be sure to check out my next video.